Most people open a bureau or collector letter and think, well, I guess that is the answer. But that letter is not the finish line. It is more like halftime. The other team just showed you their play. Smart Reply helps you read it fast, understand what they are saying, and call the next move instead of freezing. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Transform letters into strategic moves. Identify the stance of any response. Craft the perfect counter every time. Stay on top of critical deadlines. Avoid common pitfalls in follow-ups. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Smart Reply, a tool in 850 AI that helps read a bureau. Collector, a company trying to collect a debt. Verified, the bureau or company says they checked the item and believe it is accurate. Deleted, the item was removed from the report. Stalled, the response does not fully answer the issue or asks for more time. Validation claim, a collector says they have confirmed the debt. Fresh proof, updated or real proof that supports what the collector or bureau is reporting. Risk profile, the story your credit report tells about how risky you may look to lenders and. Now, let's jump in. Smart Reply is the tool inside 850 AI that helps turn a response into action. You upload the letter or type what it says. Then 850 AI helps identify the stance. Did they verify it? Delete it? Stall for more time? Claim they validated it? Once we know their stance, we can choose the right counter. Credit is not just a score. It is a risk profile. Think of your report like a school report card for money habits. Lenders, landlords, banks, insurers, and even some phone companies read that story. If a negative item stays there without a fair check, it can make you look riskier than you really are. Here is the secret. Most response letters fall into a few buckets. Verified means they say the item is accurate. Deleted means they removed it. Stalled means they need more time or did not really answer. A validation claim means a collector says they proved the debt is yours. Each one needs a different reply, like using the right key for the right door. If they say verified, you may need a method of verification demand. That means asking how they checked it, not just accepting the word verified. If they make a validation claim, you may ask for fresh proof. Fresh proof means real support, like account records, contracts, or payment history. If they dodge or keep reporting unfairly, a CFPB complaint may be the next escalation. Here is where people get hurt. They wait too long. Credit disputes have clocks, and collectors have rules too. A deadline is like food in the oven. If you forget the timer, the recipe can burn. Smart Reply helps keep your follow-up tied to the date, so you do not lose momentum or miss the next step. A lot of people think, if they verified it, I lost. Not true. Verified does not always mean fully proven. It means they say they checked it. Another mistake is sending the same dispute over and over. That is like yelling the same question at a cashier. A better move is to respond to what they actually said. Smart Reply does not make magic promises. It helps you think clearly. It reads the letter, explains the meaning in plain English, suggests the next smart action, and helps track the clock. You stay honest. You do not fake facts. You simply push for fair proof, fair reporting, and a clean next step.